to 5 ain't ringing my bell. I'd rather go there than go straight to hell. And hell's where I'm heading with a gun full of lead, a Cadillac bed and a pocket full of debt. All my tour friends came to party, they can't help it, they ain't hungry. I got something, they ain't like me. So here comes the lightning. Rain, rain, go away. Please don't bring me down today. Sometimes all there is to say, fuck it, bring that storm my way. These motherfuckers don't have no class, done everything but jerk them off and wipe their ass. Living in a den full of smoke and mirrors, with real assholes and fake superheroes. Bring it up from way down under. All this talk just makes me wonder. They just always sound like thunder. But here comes the lightning. Rain, rain, go away. Please don't bring me down today. Sometimes all there is to say, fuck it, bring that storm my way. But here comes the lightning. So when the waters come and the sun comes out, doesn't it seem like they always around? Watch them all scurry as they run for cover. We used to stick together and look out for one another. Hey yeah, we gotta try to live every day like nothing is karma. So say ya. So here comes the lightning. Rain, rain, go away. Please don't bring me down today. Sometimes all there is to say, fuck it, bring that storm my way. Rain, rain, go away. Please don't bring me down today. Sometimes all there is to say, fuck it, bring that storm my way. But here comes the lightning. But here comes the lightning.
Just go slow. Okay, we're good.